Hey, 7th grade, Mr. Hildebrand here. This is the video lesson for the 1st, so October 1st, Thursday, October 1st. If you, for some reason, missed Zoom, check this out. I'll just kind of go over quickly what we did. The first thing we did is I did show you guys this video. It's called Sweatera. We can do this. It's just a word of encouragement because I know you guys have been working really hard, and it's difficult hopping between core and hybrid, and you're here some days, you're not here some days, but you know your teachers recognize you're working hard. And we just wanted to say we appreciate it, so we put this video together for you. So check it out. Hopefully it encourages you. After that, what we did today is if you go to your World History Canvas, go to Course Modules, and you can go down to Links and Notes. What we did was we actually played a Kahoot today. So we did a Kahoot review for Unit 2 about ancient Greece, and the link for it is right there. So you can always click that, and then you can go study for your Unit 2 test. Unit 2 test is tomorrow, so log on to the Zoom. I'll be there helping you if you have any questions or need any help. You can always email me too. Your test on Canvas is, let's see if I back it up here, and you're at week 6 and you go to assignments, your test is right there. It says Unit 2 test. Okay, and on that notes and links page, the one I was just on, there's a lot of stuff for you to study if you want to. But yeah, log on to the Zoom tomorrow. If you have questions, send me an email. You've got all weekend to take it, so you can do it tomorrow during class, or if you need to get to it at a different time, that's fine. And then if you are in school, I also was handing out paper copies, so feel free to do it on paper and just bring it to me next week. All right, folks, if you need anything, you know where to email me. All right, see you guys later. Bye.